Guys, today we are going to be playing Fishing Clash. And don't listen to my TV or my brother and my mom. Just listen to me. But today, we will be playing Fishing Clash. Like I said before,
sounds good,
so this is it. Let's just start
with a side of blue cheese dressing. I'm sorry, Patty. I don't know what got into me. I'm just so hungry. That's okay, Patty. I can't stay mad at you. Oh, why are you looking at me like that, Bert? What are you doing?
I'm so sorry, Stacey.
Christmas, fellas.
Go stuff a stocking.
Gee, that wasn't very nice. Season's greetings, Mr. Krabs.
Go to the actual work?
Some nerve
Yeah.
This is coming out of your salary.
What's that all about?
Nice.
Hey, Patrick, what's that to?
Ooh. No, we don't want that. Hang on, I'm trying to. Keep it away. Ooh, I want to upgrade this. Sure, I could record my face. Can't. Let's upgrade this. 200. Nice old guy. Oh, well, I know you want me to fish with him, but right now I'm going to be catching smallmouth. Hopefully, that's what I catch. Turn that on. Let's cast. And look up at the top screen. You see that little thing? That is just something so I can catch this. Oh, it's a record. Neato burrito. Cast one. Got to see the thing. It's me, Cody, though. Just so you know, if you forgot. It's me, Cody. Oh, Ray. Ow, that hurt. And let's open this other free pack. Maybe I can upgrade my smallmouth. Nope. Ring snapper, if you want me to fish with that, I will. I will fish with every kind of fish I got. Hang on. Hang on. Cody, can you help me get that thing?
Stop, guys.
This is my brother.
I know you can't see us. We don't have the face cam.
Yeah, I tried to get that one. This is the best thing I can catch.
In Florida?
No, the best thing I can catch out of them all. Ready? Gas! I hope you can hear me. Ooh, a 21-pounder. That is huge. Check out my clan. Wish I could. Sorry. Yeah, it's Sarger. Can I donate? Nope. There's that.
Cody, can you?
Simply back to his workstation. Since it has sustained a serious concussion, recent research says you must give him up for recovery.
Oh, pish. When I was in Africa, I had my skull cracked open by cannibals. I'm still kicking.
Try him to the camera.
Oh, that's right. I have his memories because I ate his brain.
Mr. Burns, you have to give this man something. He could sue us for all we thought.
Fine. 8 weeks off with pay. That's
That guy's at 100.
8 weeks paid vacation and all because of a little fluff on the nugget.
That's his best fish. 100. Yo!
Cody, you already have 7 minutes.
Justin. Catch that fish. Boy. I did say I'd get to the lane snapper. So I am. Alright, let's see what I catch. Let's see what kind of lane snapper. How big, how small, what kind. Well, I know what kind because it's going to be a lane. Boy. All right. See you later, guys.